XRP, we start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if you refer to our analysis in my last video, we mentioned we can look for sell, and there was 2 opportunity to look for sell, even we had a running flat. And as we can see, the price drop, break the previous low, and tag 0.53. That's why when the price was within this move, I was keep mentioning about the possibility of the price to drop and tag 0.53. Okay, now we have the expanding flat. This is what I explained in my last analysis. That's why I mentioned we prefer to look for trade if we get a running. Now we get expanding flat. And now we want to see if we want to look for trade, we need to get the reversal. But the only thing is the problems we get these shadows here. Okay, and even if we may refer to 15-minute, we don't have any trade setup to look for buy. We need to get the reversal. Okay, that's why if we want to look for buy, we need to be quite careful. Okay, now we need to wait to see how this one can, I mean, what we get here, either the continuation or reversal. If we get the reversal, is good, we can look for buy. If we get a continuation, also we can look for sell if anyone is looking for sell. But right now, we don't have any trade setup either for buy or sell. But what we were expected, we get already. Another question is whether the price can break and continue, break 0.53 or not. Okay, if we refer to daily chart, we explain in our analysis that if we need to be quite careful if you want to look for buy here, because if there is a continuation with the breakout of 0.65, we can expect the price to break 0.75 as well. Then from there, we can look for continuation. Maybe we get a bit deeper correction, but where the price can continue. Then we cannot expect the price to retest 0.36 and 0.34. That's why we need to be quite careful. But if the price reverse from here, still we can look for price to tag 0.42 and 0.39. With the breakout of 0.39, we can look for 0.36 and 0.34. All depends on what we get here, whether continuation or reversal. That's why if you want to look for trades, we need to be quite careful. And if you move to forward chart, this is what we have been looking for. We have been looking for this correction, and now we get this one. We want to see whether we can get one move up and the price can break 0.6 or not. But right now, we don't have any trade set up. Simply 3 times the price start to drop, but it couldn't break 0.53. We need to get a reversal if we want to look for trade for buy. Okay, and as you can see, based on 1 hour, and if the price continue reverse from here without giving us any trade setup, then we wait for the breakout of the stop, and if flag above that, we can look for buy. But the best thing is if we get any sharp move reversal with the flag within the correction. And if that's why we have to wait right now, we cannot trade. And if the price start to continue with any flag, this is how we can look for sell. Mostly we are more interested if we get the buy rather than the sell. But the only thing is we want to see whether we get the reversal or not. By the way, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. And one more thing I need to highlight here, I forget. This is one of the reason if you put this one two interrelative to each other, we can see we had the divergence. The price broke the previous top, but we had the divergence. That's why we mentioned the price can drop and even based on MACD. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.